Duca has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, northeastern Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, northwestern Pike County in southwestern Indiana, until 9:15 p.m. or 10:15 p.m. At 8:41 p.m. or 9:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mount Carmel, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Patoka around 8:45 p.m. Petersburg around 10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hazleton and Allendale. This includes Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 39 and 52. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. or 10:15 p.m. for the following county, Wabash, Illinois, and the following counties in Indiana, Gibson and Pike.